tutorial how to make cover from your phone. First thing first, you need
VX sound card.
Now I teach you. I got this from Shopee, so I'm gonna teach you guys how to use this VX sound card only for your phone. So first thing first, you need VX sound card, of course, and condenser mic, or you can use your dynamic mic. Yes, the condenser mic you put in a condenser mic. Look at this. Okay, now I got this cable too from Shopee. Free gift. Yes, this one, put it in live one. Also have a live 2. So to that, for the music you put in the backing track. Okay, you also can use your phone or laptop, and then you need your phone. Okay, plug in earphone. Turn on this. Okay, I can hear my voice from this mic in my earphone. Hello. Okay, I can hear. Okay, now, okay, for the music, it's your backing track cable. Okay.
Hello you guys, so now you can hear my voice from this mic. Hello. Okay, now we'll try any song from Throw the fun away, throw the fun away, but you never go away. So I guess I gotta stay now. Thank you guys for watching my video. So hope you guys enjoy this video and try it at home. Don't forget to buy this VX sound card. It's really good. Okay, thank you. Okay, thank you so much. Oh my god, my friend, thank you. Oh my god, thank you very much. Oh my god. Thank you everyone.